नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन चैनल ग्लोबल आरडी। आज मैरी क्रिसमस है और मैं आप सब लोगों को स्वागत करना चाहूँगा। मैरी क्रिसमस एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। तो दोस्तों, आज एक बहुत ही खासियत दिन है, मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगा। यहाँ आते हुए करीब 5-6 हफ्ते हो चुके हैं और आज हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किए हैं युगांडा को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। तो युगांडा में एक नेशनल पार्क है जिसका नाम है क्वींस एलिजाबेथ नेशनल पार्क। आज हम लोग वहाँ जाएंगे और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। इसीलिए मैं आपको इसका थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड बता दूँ। ये जो क्वींस एलिजाबेथ नेशनल पार्क है, इस नेशनल पार्क में अफ्रीका में ऐसा 2 नेशनल पार्क है। एक मनियारा नेशनल पार्क है जो तंजानिया में है और एक युगांडा में है क्वींस एलिजाबेथ नेशनल पार्क। और ये शायद दुनिया में ऐसा 2 नेशनल पार्क है जहाँ पे आपको ट्री क्लाइंबिंग लायन मिलेंगे। तो आप सोच रहे होंगे, लायन, वो भी शेर, वो भी ट्री क्लाइंबिंग, पेड़ पे चढ़ता हुआ, ये कैसे हो सकता है? ऐसा ही है और इसीलिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ। मैंने पता नहीं कितने सारे नेशनल पार्क घूमे हैं। तंजानिया में मिकुमी नेशनल पार्क, सडानी नेशनल पार्क, सेरेंगेटी नेशनल पार्क, नायरोबी में नायरोबी नेशनल पार्क, मसाई मारा, साउथ अफ्रीका में क्रूगर नेशनल पार्क, बट कहीं भी मैंने ऐसा कभी सुना भी नहीं था। बट जो भी है, ये और एक नेशनल पार्क मैं घूमने जा रहा हूँ। मुझे बहुत एक्साइटेड हो रहा है। मेरे साथ मेरा एक दोस्त भी रहेगा जो अभी रास्ते में है। 2-5 मिनट में पहुंच जाएंगे। बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ, देखते हैं कैसा होता है। मैं आप लोगों को अपडेट करता रहूँगा, आप देखते रहिए। मेरा यहाँ पे सामान जो है बिल्कुल तैयार हो चुका है। ये मेरा सामान है, ये मेरी बैग है, कुछ फ्रूट्स वगैरह ले लिया मैंने रास्ते में खाने पीने के लिए। बाकी सब तैयार है दोस्तों। तब तक के लिए अलविदा, स्टे ट्यून। अब दोस्तों ये देखिए, ये हमारा वैन है। वैन तो काफ़ी बड़ी है यार, ये करीब 7 सीटर होगा या 9 सीटर होगा। बट इस वैन की जो खासियत है, ये रूफ ऐसे हम लोगों को खोलने हैं और यहीं से आपको गेम ड्राइव का नज़ारा समझ में आएगा। आपको चारों तरफ से दिखाई देगा। गाड़ी के खिड़की से मज़ा नहीं आता है, ऐसे देखेंगे तो मज़ा आएगा, है ना? चलिए, हम लोग थोड़ी देर में हमारा जर्नी शुरू करेंगे और तब तक के लिए आपसे विदा लेते हैं। तो दोस्तों, अभी हम बीच रास्ते में कहीं रुके हैं 10 मिनट के लिए। ये युगांडा इक्वेटर है, द 0 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड। ये एक रेस्टोरेंट है, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, बट जो चीज़ दिखाने के लिए मैं बेताब हूँ वो ये है 0 लैटिट्यूड्स। और ये शायद गवर्नमेंट ऑफ युगांडा ने इसको ऐसे बनाए हैं। एंड देयर इज समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग I can tell you, and he's my friend and he's with us. So tell us what exactly this is.
So right now we are standing at the 0 latitude, the line that divides the whole world into 2 equal parts.
Okay.
So to prove that this is the center, we do an experiment that if you pour water when you're right on the line here, the water drops straight. If you go south, it spins anti-clockwise. If you go north, it spins clockwise.
Really?
But to do the 3 demonstrations is 20 Uganda shillings.
20,000. 20,000 Ugandan shillings for the demonstration.
For the 3.
Is that a fixed price or you want to?
Yeah, no, the certificate goes with one certificate. The price is fixed.
Oh, you want to give us a certificate?
Yes.
Okay, let's go ahead.
So we're going to start from the north.
Okay, so guys, it's quite interesting. So they're saying this will go some sort of clockwise or anti-clockwise. It's a northern hemisphere. So let's see how it can be a clockwise and anti-clockwise. I'm really excited to see this.
It's called Coriolis effect.
Okay.
Okay, now we know.
So he's putting water here.
And then after have to stabilize the water. Then fence him, then I'll show you afterwards. Is that okay?
That's nice. So the water is down.
Then it is down.
You can see that, right?
For the pink one.
So it's moving like
The clock.
clockwise.
Because you're in the northern. So for example, if you live in UK, India,
Oh, wow.
Pakistan, Bangladesh, in your sink, or in the toilet, that's how the water flows. Right? Now let's cross and take to the southern.
That's nice.
Come go to the south.
So we have seen over here, it was just rotating as clockwise, and this is the northern hemisphere. So this part of the world, if you are dividing equator and the whole world, from this side is a northern, and this side is a southern, and this is zero latitude. So zero latitude. Now you see what is written. You are now halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole. So here,
In the south, the southern hemisphere side of the world, so the magnetic fields have to change and stay the other way around. Anti-clockwise. You can see the
you look at here, it's really, oh my goodness,
north of the equator.
I'm really surprised. I'm really surprised. You see, guys, can you see that? Just a distance of 10 meter. This is the southern hemisphere we are in, and it's actually moving anti-clockwise. And over there, we found it moving clockwise. Isn't it very interesting? We like it. We like it very much.
Now we
So guys, we have seen over there that is the northern hemisphere. So over there it was just a northern hemisphere, and here we have seen the flower which was rotating as a clockwise, but over here we are just crossing over and coming into the southern hemisphere, and the flower that was rotating as an anti-clockwise. Now we're standing on the zero latitude, and let's see how does it work. I'm really surprised. I have never seen this.
and then on March 21st, September 23rd, those two days call them equinox.
Yeah.
They have equal day, equal night. Midday, you have no shadow when you're here. So my final second try to pull it, doesn't stay still. One more time. You've got it, I think.
No.
No spinning on the equator. The water just stays still.
Almost there was a spin.
Yeah, but we'll do one more time.
Yeah, I'm not convinced over here.
Over the line, huh?
Yeah.
One more time.
All right, let's do it.
I'm trying to stop the movement. And
Okay.
that's why they say your body weight on the equator is less by 3%.
Oh yeah. Look at there. It's not moving actually.
Get swallowed.
It's just swallowed. This is lovely.
Thank
I like it.
you.
My friend, what's your name?
Kalunji Huntington Equator Guide. I welcome you to the zero latitude.
Thank you so much.
May God
Equator
bless you.
Guide, huh?
Exactly. And the line traverses only 13 countries.
13 counties. Yeah, I have seen it earlier. Okay. So with us is our Kalunji
Equator Guide.
and the Equator Guide. So Kalunji, tell us,
Yeah.
what is the reason behind it that on the northern hemisphere, that flower,
It turns clockwise.
yeah, that was rotating as clockwise, and in the southern hemisphere, that flower was rotating as anti-clockwise, and over here, it was
Normal.
not rotating. So what is the reason?
The reason is that due to the Earth's rotation, and that force is called Coriolis effect. The Coriolis effect, if you're at the north, when the Earth spins, that force is being pulled in the clockwise movement. Then at the south, it pulled in the anti-clockwise movement. Then here at the zero, it's equilibrium. The south is pulling, the northern is pulling, so to remain balanced.
All right.
And then I told you when you are here, you weigh 3% less. The reason is that here you are spinning faster This is the fastest point on the globe axis. That's why you're enjoying the central field air from the north and south poles, so
Wow.
it makes you lighter when you
Well explained.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
May God bless.
Thank you so much. And he also has given me a certificate. So can you please show us the
The
certificate?
certificate of authenticity say that you have been on the equator.
So this is the certificate.
Certified.
It might come in a reverse form.
Those flags you can see, they are the
Yeah.
countries which are on the crossed by the equator line.
Yeah.
Welcome.
So they have put my name,
The date, the time you
and the
cross the
certificate of
equator.
authenticity. So you can see they have put my name. Like it? Thank you so much.
Thank you too.
Thank you so much, Kalungi.
May God bless.
Thank you.
Bye, bye.
Merry Christmas to
Merry
you.
Christmas to all.
Thank you.
May God, and Happy New Year.
Thank you. Thank you. Happy New Year.